Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text background color in Adobe InDesign 2022. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I change this text background color. At first I have to select a foreground color on here. Now I select this one. Then select this rectangle tool. Then draw your rectangle on this page layout. Then you can see here are my rectangle tool with this color. Now select this selection tool. Then right click on this rectangle. Then you can see here are arrange option. Now press this arrange and press send to back. Now click outside of this text box. Now you can see I changed text background color in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for